Hi everyone, Dylan Allison here with Hoosier Riverwatch, and welcome to our series of training videos on water quality monitoring. Whether you're a current volunteer or a potential new volunteer, these videos will serve as a refresher or an introduction. Let's dive in. Biochemical oxygen demand, or BOD, measures the amount of oxygen consumed by bacteria as they decompose organic waste. Higher BOD levels indicate more organic matter, while lower levels suggest cleaner water. Streams with high BOD levels may have limited dissolved oxygen available for aquatic organisms. To collect a BOD sample, first submerge a bottle below the water surface for 3 to 5 inches. Remember to sample upstream in the main flow. Allow water to flow into the bottle for about 2 minutes, ensuring no air bubbles are present. Replace the stopper while the bottle is underwater and remove it from the stream. Place the bottle in a dark room temperature location, like a cabinet or drawer, for 5 days. After 5 days, use the Chemetrix dissolved oxygen test kit to measure DO in the BOD sample. Subtract the DO level of the BOD sample from the original DO level taken 5 days earlier.